Ever wondered why things keep moving once you push them, or why they eventually stop? It all boils down to a fundamental principle of the universe, a cornerstone of physics laid down by the brilliant Sir Isaac Newton. Newton's first law of motion states, "An object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion, with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force." What does all that fancy wording actually mean? Well, it's all about inertia. Think of inertia as an object's natural tendency to resist changes in its state of motion. If something is still, it wants to stay still. If it's moving, it wants to keep moving at a constant speed and in a straight line. Now, the key here is the phrase unbalanced force. Things don't just magically start moving or stop on their own. It takes a push, a pull, or some other force that isn't perfectly cancelled out by other forces acting on the object. That's the unbalanced part. You see this law in action all around you. When you're in a car that suddenly stops, your body tends to keep moving forward. That's your inertia resisting the change in motion. Similarly, when you quickly pull a tablecloth, the dishes stay put because their inertia resists being moved along with the cloth. Of course, in our everyday world, things don't keep moving forever like that ideal frictionless puck. That's because of forces like friction, air resistance, and gravity, which act as those unbalanced forces, eventually slowing things down or changing their direction. This seemingly simple law has profound applications. Seat belts are a direct application of inertia. They provide the unbalanced force needed to stop your body in a sudden deceleration, preventing injury. In space, where there's minimal friction and air resistance, spacecraft can travel vast distances with minimal fuel expenditure, all thanks to their inertia. Engineers even use inertia in various industrial processes. So, the next time you see something sitting still or something moving, remember Newton's first law. It's a fundamental principle that governs the motion of everything in our universe, from the smallest dust particle to the largest galaxies. It's all about inertia and those all-important unbalanced forces.